truck driver loses control of 18-wheeler truck and rolls onto hapless Toyota driver. Car accidents are an inevitable part of daily life. Despite continuous improvements in vehicle safety, the sheer unpredictability of the nature of a collision makes guarding against them especially difficult. This was the case for a man driving in Bangkok's Krabang district on Sunday afternoon. While most people are keeping an eye out for cars in front of and behind them, this unlucky driver had a huge 18-wheeler truck fall straight onto the top of his Toyota. Thailand's The Nation website reported that the truck driver, 33-year-old Narong Wangpan, had swerved to avoid a motorcyclist that had swerved in front of him and lost control of his truck in the process. Laden with 46 tons of soybeans, the ungainly vehicle lurched over onto its side and crushed the sedan. Viewing the images, it would be reasonable to assume that the driver would too have been crushed in the process, but miraculously he survived the ordeal. No official statement has been made regarding the man's injuries, but he was conscious and speaking to medical staff as he was stretchered away from the scene. Hopefully he will make a full recovery in the coming days. The truck driver reported no injuries, and the truck too looked to have a broken windscreen and superficial damage to its side. The Toyota, on the other hand, was almost flattened. Rescuers had to resort to hydraulic rams to lift the truck up and pry the Toyota open. Such incidents are sadly a common occurrence on Thailand's roads, a country that is now rated as having the most road deaths per year. Perhaps here, the days of potentially safer fully autonomous vehicles can't come too soon.